today I have my teammate here today. It's Lexi. We are trying to mix up our videos because we're having a team, but we can make our own videos sometimes, and sometimes me and Alexis together.
Lexi.
Lexi. You can call her Lexi or Alexis.
No, just Lexi because that's my normal name.
Agreed. Okay. And today we're doing a toy review of my pinypon van.
No, that's not enough lighting.
My pinypon van right there.
Okay, guys, so we're gonna set the
We'll
cam.
show you how to set it. Hold it there, Alexis. There, just like that. First, you have to remove the roof and remove these two animals on the roof. This cute little adorable
Not like
orange
that.
cat.
Not like that. Not like that. No. It's like, for example, you show the things that it is. It's our first toy review, guys. So
yeah, it's my first toy review. And look what it can do in the outside, guys. Look, see? It's on. Turn that switch on, and then it lights up. Yeah. You guys don't see it that much, do you guys?
sorry,
Bring the
guys.
camera a little closer, please.
Sorry, I turned it off.
No, it's not off. See? It lights up.
Headlights.
And you can turn the switch on or off. If it's off, you can turn on the headlights on. Headlights.
He's getting here. Someone name it here. I was gonna name it Alex, but then it was named Pierre.
Yeah. Come on.
This is not part, okay? That's not my phone.
Okay. Now, guys, first you have to remove these two adorable pets up here. See, there's a turtle and there's a cat.
So, guys, first we're gonna show you the outside of this camper van. Here you may see a lot
Of stickers, but at the other side there's none. But there's a little window here, a little opening, and here's something where you can put all your stuff, and it's also kind of like a back tire, and you can connect the back tire, and they can't see it that
And
much.
it removes.
Yeah, and you can connect another car right here, just like that. And plus, this is where the driver and the cat stays.
Can I put this back?
Sure. You should hold the camera and bring it a little closer to the table. And now, since we're done reviewing the outside, time to review the inside. Come on, can you bring the camera a little closer?
I don't know where to hold it.
Why?
Right here.
Oh my gosh.
We need higher so the light.
Just like that. Oh wait. Alexis, hold the camera real quick and just show them the outside of the van first. I'm gonna get some.
Okay, guys. And then here's a window that opens into nothing. Now here's the inside. Hey, this is the hardest part of my life. Ouch. Now what inside under is it's a vent X-ray. Turn the X-ray right over here like that. And you have some stickers on like this and this. Pretty cool in the back. And then next here, let's build this thingy.
Oh, you're already showing them the inside. I was like gonna get something.
Can you
but
film
never
this so I
mind.
can show it?
Sure. And yeah, guys. And
You
here you assemble it like that. Put that there. And look at the animals. I mean, look.
And then here's
Jump in the water. Psh. Jump in the water. Psh. Oh!
How about we actually put water here for YouTube?
Oh yeah, sure. But we can't. I
And
don't know how.
And then here we have an injection.
It's a syringe. We have a syringe right there. And also the thing you put on the pets when they just finish their surgery.
And then here is the blood pressure checker.
Yeah, the blood pressure thing. What did you say?
Blood pressure check.
And there's like a floorboard there that you can keep the stuff. This is what the doctor wears.
Stethoscope. And then here's the bag. So she can go shopping. Just kidding, guys.
Oh, great. Does a veterinarian even go shopping? Look, there's a little laptop right here.
And then
And you can open it up. Look at it.
And then clips.
Yeah. And then food. Yummy, yummy food. Very
And then
delicious.
This is my kind of...
This is a toy mouse.
I thought it was a hamster for a second.
And that's a little thing that cats put on their tail sometimes so they can
Cushion?
Yeah, like a cushion. And here's a drawer. You can open it like that. See? And there's the stuff of the tortoise.
You have to show it one by one if you're really going to be a YouTuber.
Okay, fine. I'll show you one by one, but it's okay. Here's a little leaf for the turtle to sip sometimes. A little pear. And a little bone. And you can also stick stickers on them like this. I stick a little pill like that.
Sleeping pill.
Yeah.
I think your channel should still be cringy.
Are you sure?
Just kids. I really, really want to get more subscribers on YouTube.
Yeah. And yeah. Here's the things of the cat. There's one right there.
Catfish.
Catfishes. And then... Wait, let's show them the sticker. And the sticker is a red and white pill. Oh yeah, we already showed you guys the things of the white kitty.
The doctor's
And that's the cabinet.
The doctor stuff, guys.
Yeah. Here's the thing you...
No, I'm showing it. I'm showing it.
Fine, you show it.
Here's the headache.
It's called the hot compress.
Ouch, ouch. I bumped my head. And then a while ago, it was like to speeden up the turtle. We put it inside the head like a brain. Make it faster.
I know.
And then this is a cat cast. For the
I mean,
ear.
an ear cast.
And then it's
You're showing your hand, you know this.
every important list.
Yeah, this checklist.
And the cast for the tail.
The cat's
I
and a
mix
thermometer. And Alexis calls it a microphone. What? You called it a microphone a while ago?
I thought.
And yeah, guys, I'll show you one of the kitties. It's this one. She is so adorable. Wait, what's that?
This is such adorable one.
Oh, it's so adorable. It's a
This
little
is Dr.
toy.
Fartness.
Hey, that's not Dr. Fartness. I call her, you know, the I don't know what I call her. I call her Doctor.
Oh, guys, I think I need to leave.
Wait, Alexis.
Now you make the whole review.
Okay, and here she's wearing something on her head, of course. And look, she is so pretty. She like, you know, she has very long hair. She has a little skirt right there. Her shoesies. And of course, her cute little adorable eyes. So yeah, I think Alexis already left. But she has bracelets. See? They're so pretty. Pretty bracelets. And yeah, let's put her back where she belongs.
Down here.
Right there. She's the driver too. There's a little drinking cup. And of course, the kitty stays right there. Oh, by the way, guys, I forgot to show you this teeny tiny wheelchair. And plus, guys, if you get one of these, get that. Put them right here where the TV is. Just wait. Okay. See, I put it in and then turn the switch on. The switch I told you a while ago. And then place it there and then boom, it lights up. See guys? You guys see that? So cool, right? So yeah. And then after that you have to take it out. See? You have 3 of these. Yeah, you can put them back. And like right there, they're right there at the floorboard, or you can put them anywhere else, but I put them at the floorboard because they only fit there. And look, those 2 pets are taking a bath. Wait, where's the faucet?
I threw it away.
Alexis.
I was just kidding.
Where did you put it?
I don't know. It looks like it come from under me. It does.
Okay, let's find it.
I want to play hide and seek without you two.
Oh, great. Fine. We already made a video of hide and seek anyways. And plus, we have to continue part 2. Trying to find the faucet, guys. Yeah, never. Oh, I found the faucet. Found it. The little faucet connected right there. And guys, it's kind of hard to buy this because you have to assemble the whole thing before you play with it. So yeah, and when you put it back,
this requires batteries.
it doesn't. They already have batteries in
Then
them.
why is this light?
They already have batteries in them. You don't need to buy batteries.
Why did it runs out?
And then look at the pets. Oh great, you made one bald.
I need to speed up the turtle. I'm gonna put back the speeder
Okay.
for the head.
And then this is how you finish it. First, remember it's like that. Put that and then pull that up.
Look what I made, guys.
Pull that up.
Look what I
Put
made,
the
guys.
wheelchair back and then
And
the
then
window. Oh, look at the turtle.
now I make back the hair because what's inside the speeder up.
Speeder up. Okay, now guys, next you have to put the roof of the van, and then you can, and then put,
sky.
and then 2 pets can stay there. You can put any kind of pet you want there. You remove the wheel again, and then you can just put the wheel back.
I want to play with it.
And yeah, we're done. Bye guys, see you in our next video. Say bye, Alexis.
Bye.
So bye guys, and see you in our next video.